VIP Motocross, testing out the new layout with Harley.
Just having a dirt nap. Yum yum yum. The dirt tastes good. It's time for my session.
My camera recording.
Follow me!
Sun is shining. I need to stop trying so hard.
You'll see more of Cole soon. Time for a POV with me, rocking out Harley. Okay, so I've only sit, and I'm going to show you a lap of VIP new track layout. First left-hander always gets rooted. What line would you choose? I struggle a little bit in ruts. I go a little bit slow. That hard bit's done. Now one's a huge table jump. I like trying to jump that. Here we have the S-bend. Right. Left. And another right. And another left. And another right. And now we're at the double roller. And I pump them. They were pros to jump on. I haven't got a jumping yet. Wow! Sweeping right hand up. Wow! Oh, cameraman! Best do a good job. Now with a cable with a step down. Nice sweeping left turn. Wait a minute. I'm going to catch that. More ups than all. Nice sweeping right. Oh, he's pulling away. I'm forcing out like he is. Oh yeah, I've got it. Saw me. Oh no, he's giving it to him. I'm gonna have him on this jump. First one is tricky. I bumped it. But the second, dang it! What? Oh, come on, man. Blasted me. That's it. That's done. What did you think of it?
Left under.